Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off from the options, confirm that. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now I will warn you that the boot mode that we will be booting into first to access recovery mode is the dimmest thing that you will probably see ever on your screen. So with the light that I have set up right now, you actually won't be able to see it whatsoever, almost. So I'm gonna start to turn off the lights right now, maybe keep just one. And let's crank up the exposure. So like I mentioned, power button, volume up. And when you see logo on a screen, let go of the power button. And you can see there is the mode. It's actually still too light, so let's just turn off this light and crank it up even more. So here you can see we have three options, and you want to select the first one. So make sure that the arrow is at the top. Now, weirdness happening here when you press the volume up to navigate, it just kind of goes blank and then shows you that it moved in that meantime. So make sure that that arrow is at the very top and press volume down to confirm it. It will then actually, oops, I think I'm booting it normally. Nope, recovery mode, never mind. So it is going good. And next we will have, there we go, way too bright of a screen. So now I'm gonna undo everything that I have done. So bear with me. There we go, and perfect. So once you have this screen, you want to hold power button and press volume up once. And this redirects us to the recovery mode. And here we have, I'm gonna bring this a little bit closer. We have a bunch of options, which now we can use both volume buttons to navigate, as you can see right now. So use both volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected with that blue line. Now going over the options, the first one is the reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Now, let's see if I think I'm gonna turn off this light. There we go, we can now see it a little bit better. So reboot system now takes us back to Android. Below that we have a reboot to bootloader, which will take us to the faint screen that we barely could see. Then we have enter fastboot mode, which we also have at the bootloader page as well. And next we have the apply updates from ADB or SD card. Then we have wipe data, factory reset, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Now I'm gonna select the first option and confirm it. And this will now initiate a reboot of the device and bring us back to Android. Oh, not this color. There we go. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.